Today, we will talk about the instrument calibration procedure, a key requirement in the pharmaceutical manufacturing industry. Have you ever wondered if the scales at the grocery checkout show the right amount? Or how are the cameras used on the highways doing their job correctly? The answer is instrument calibration. If the scales at the shops and the road safety cameras are calibrated regularly, and those calibrations are passed, you can rest assured that those instruments are working fine. This principle equally applies to instruments in the pharmaceutical industry. How to perform calibration? The calibration ensures that instruments are producing correct results. It confirms that an instrument measures accurately, against a known standard. It profoundly improves product quality, safety and compliance in pharmaceuticals. How to perform calibration? First, we identify critical instruments. The performance of these instruments directly affects product quality. For example, HPLC and dissolution testers are high-risk instruments. On the other hand, precision balances, pH meters, and data loggers are low risk. How to plan for calibration? A calibration procedure starts with planning. We define what needs calibration. We set criteria and frequencies. We choose reference standards to calibrate against. What is a calibration schedule? Scheduling a calibration program is part of planning. A calibration master plan will outline what to calibrate and when. The calibration master plan should be based on risk. The risk level is assessed by the impact of instrument failure on product quality. High-risk instruments get more frequent checks, lower-risk ones less often. Download our free calibration risk assessment tool. Hit the download link in the description. How to conduct calibration testing? As planned, prepare the instrument for calibration testing, clean the instrument, stabilize the environment. Confirm reference standards are valid. Always use SOP or manuals before performing the calibration. Compare results against the standard. Record both actual and expected results. Record any deviations. How to manage failed calibration? A calibration test will fail if the result appears outside the expected range. If an instrument fails, tag it out immediately. Stop using it until the investigation is completed. Document the failure. Investigate the root cause. Assess impact on products and tests. Adjusting the instrument. Adjustments and repairs may be needed because of calibration. After the adjustment, repeat the calibration. Confirm the instrument now meets the specification. Calibration record keeping. Record keeping is important for instrument calibration. Calibration records are essential as evidence during audits. The record includes instrument name, location, date performed, also, the standards used, the initial and final results, and the pass or fail. Record if any adjustment was required. Keep the signatures of the operator. Calibration certificates. After a successful calibration, a certificate is produced for the instrument. It is valid until the next scheduled calibration. Overdue calibration is considered non-compliant. Calibration master register. Track calibration history in a master register. This improves planning and trend analysis. Operator training on calibration. Operator training is a must for instrument calibration. Only trained staff should perform calibration. Training records must be kept. Conclusion. A successful calibration program can increase confidence in measurements. It reduces instrument errors and improves performance. It supports data integrity and instrument reliability. Builds confidence in the measurement and results. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about this topic, please visit our website. Subscribe with us to gain access to hundreds of well-written GMP documents. Use the link in the description to reach us. Thanks for watching.